here. I want to see if sellers come in and defend that. Ideally, I would wait for a red 5-minute candle to actually print. Um, this is just baseline fib from low of New York session up to the high. Each of these blue lines is a 45-minute IB extension. I pull those numbers off of here. So let me show you this tab. So I'm pulling like your percent chance of hitting these levels off of Edgeful. So we already hit the point two. That had 95% chance of hitting. Our point three, since we broke this and we closed above the 45-minute IB, you have a 90% chance of hitting. The point four, 85, point five, 78. So yeah. Yeah, so typically, like, I'll scale half my position at the point two and then, like, hold the rest for the point four. Or you can also use these extensions for, like, reversal areas.
Oh, Jay,
Yeah, I mean he's short and losing money now.
Yeah, that's okay.
look at these moving parts.
That's
Look at the
okay.
moving parts now. This is live television right here. Coach Jay
I'm
sat
I'm
back
I'm
down in his
short. I'm
seat.
short one.
Okay.
I'll add to it.
I don't know what this is. Okay, close this.
We'll troubleshoot.
All right, we're back. We got Dakota Secrets. So, the good thing about trading in person with somebody, you can just walk over to their desk and say, "Show me what you're looking at."
I love it, man. Oh, you're so right. There's
Show me
nothing
what you're
better than
looking
that.
at.
There's nothing
Yeah.
better than that in person. We try recreate as best we can here on Top Step TV because trading can be a lonely journey. That's what we're all here for. But you can see it doesn't get any better when these guys are in the office. So maybe we're gonna build on something like this. Maybe put together some shared workspaces, Top Step offices down the road. I don't know. We got something cooking here. This is really really cool. And again,
Yeah,
shout out
MP's
to
being a little bit
James.
cryptic though
Well,
about everything going on.
We tried to
uh,
get some out of him last night, but he wouldn't. He
I
said
think he needs
something
more
big,
tequila in him.
who? What
He needs more
happened?
some
tequila in him
some
to leak it.
something
Who's
big
that?
coming July.
Who was spilling the sauce?
No one was spilling the
Nobody.
sauce. We wanted the sauce.
From who?
MP.
Yes, Michael. Yes, Michael Patak is in
We
town.
didn't get
Yeah,
him
Michael
drunk
Patak,
enough. Clearly.
just the surprise. Michael Patak made a surprise appearance at dinner last night. Kept it very, very low key. He is in town and we'll be at the trader meetup tonight. So come say hi to the founder, the pioneer of the space, Top Step as well. It was very, very cool.
I
Pretty
might get
cool from
ripped
him.
on this short.
Yeah, I'm not liking this so much
Yeah, I'm not
anymore.
liking it. I'm not liking it either. It's just gonna rip my stop. Yeah.
Why'd you fade the trend, Baron?
And you gotta try you gotta try stuff sometimes. Still got a green P&L. All right, we hit that point three extension, which that had a 90% chance of hitting. I want to see a pullback in here. I kind of want to just short it again, but
Jay, you're telling me we're not going to see the price 22,000 again today? You're telling me we're never going to see
So-
22,000 today in the
so
Nasdaq?
that
hey,
yeah.
Andre,
Say it.
it's got to go back to VWAP, right?
Yeah, it's pretty much what 22,000s are. 21,997. You're telling me you're not going to see the price of 22,000 today. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, that's a
Almost.
great point you got there, Dre. Great conversation last night, and yeah.
I'm not telling you to
I
take
thought
the
about-
trade, but yeah.
No. Great conversation. I think I thought the same thing about this 22,100, and we got long. We could still be holding this trade into it. So I think we have my screens up now. I told you guys I do have, I still use my 3-minute charts for volume and things like that. But for trade entries, I'm using 500 tick chart, and you can see this moving averages that I have a 20 and a 50. Any touches to this 20 moving average, which is this green line, when we have this separation, are long. So where I got short originally was below this yellow line here, but because the 20 is above the 50 and trending higher, this is not a market to short until these cross, right? So any trades that I take into the long side have been off of this green line so far. So I'm looking for another potential long here, maybe around 78s. If it holds, we are kind of getting extended up near this 22,100, but maybe not a reason to long, but I don't see a reason to short yet.
Hmm.
Gold, crude still pushing lower here. New lows in crude. $71.33 just printed. We're seeing about $3 sell off, give or take. $3 sell off in the last 35 minutes or so in crude. Crude is moving and moving lower. Topped out at $74.27. Again, down about $3 from there, trading 71.33. As we come in top of the hour,
300 lot offered at 73 in the ES.
I'm gonna short again. I'm gonna short this again.
okay. JD, are we still in?
I
Still
I'm
in,
am
yeah.
short from 82.
I'm just gonna go
Everybody's
with
short
Andre.
now, huh?
I'm gonna go with
Short.
Andre's strat and just target VWAP.
You're telling me we're not going to see
I'm gonna wait.
22,000
I
today?
think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see if
We're gonna
takes
see
you
if the
out, Baron.
caveman strat works.
All
Yeah.
right. Don't forget about we talked about stops too. Let's see. All right, JD. House account is short from 60, 70, half. We got Baron short from what price again, Bears? Forgive
You
me.
can't read it on the screen.
I'm not.
22, 83 and a half.
Actually, I had it
No
written down.
offense, guys, but yeah, everyone just piled in short, so I really don't like this trade anymore now. I'm sorry, guys.
Toast. Say JD toast.
We're not told. We're scratch. We're sitting right on top
Okay,
of
I'll
our
take.
entry price right now.
Short from 082.
I might
Dakota short
add
from 22.
this.
082. 082. 60, 70.
I'd
Last
love to
trade.
I
see.
added.
80.
Yeah.
I added.
All
How
right.
many cons are you in, Dakota?
5 minis now.
5 minis. Jesus Christ.
5. What price there, Dakota?
Average price 080 half.
All right, cool. 080 half. Shout out to who's working the Chiron in positions back.
Order
there. It's gonna be
filled.
fast and furious here on Top Step TV. Only 600 likes. Come on, this is as good as it gets. I'm having an absolute blast.
Yeah, you hit
Give
that.
it
Hit
up
the
for these
like.
guys.
Hit the subscribe.
Thank you, Baron. You get it. You get it. You see Baron Head pulling up at dinner. Man, he's got his he's got his IG live going. He's got all this, man. He is.
No,
a man
you
of-
told me to go live. You were like, I want to see
Content,
what kind of
smelling
numbers.
his roses.
Content
Just-
over everything.
Absolutely, smelling his
Yeah,
roses.
Content over everything.
Yup.
I'm just trying to get gifted a galaxy. You know.
Gifted a galaxy.
What do we got here? Yep.
Yeah, I'm flat. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and
Hold
see if I can get back in at a better price.
Okay. I like it. Cut it early flat. Dakota is flat. We got Dakota flat. Baron short from 083. House account short from 60, 70 and a half. And a half.
This thing's just not slowing down.
What is going on?
Nope. It's just slow grind up. It's not even that slow, to be honest. We held that 20 moving average again. That was the long. More trades. Everybody flat? You guys flat on the shorts?
I'm still in.
Still in, JD?
Stay in there.
You're in the ES,
Stay in
right,
there.
JD?
Stay in there, JD.
Yeah, I'm still short the ES.
50-50 tilt. 60-73 last trade in ES. A couple ticks off the highs there. 22,090 last trade in the NASDAQ. About 6 points off the highs there. Coming in the top of the hour, 21 minutes. Yes, 21 minutes. FOMC day, Fed Paul, watch party. Call it a watch party. Get your popcorn out. Get your glass of milk with the ham sandwiches, Hogs likes to say, and hang out with us starting at 1 p.m. Central, 1 p.m. Central to 3 p.m. Have the policy announcement, 99% probability that it will be unchanged. And we'll have the prepared remarks, and then we'll have the Q&A. The Q&A really give some insight into what's on there, what they're thinking about. Talk about the dual
Is that
mandate.
99% guaranteed?
No, Baron, 100% would be guaranteed. That would be you're the math guy, and 99. Yeah, essentially,
I
yes.
do love some math.
Yes, he does, man. He's a smart man. Baron's a sharp cat. He is very, very sharp.
I'm gonna add to this. I added 2 more.
What's your average price, Baron?
22,081.25 or 0.50.
All good, all good. All right, last trade 22,076.
What did he just say?
He's man. He said we're selling. He just wants it to go lower. He said he wants it to go lower here.
I want to go back to VWAP.
Down. Said down.
I'm taking Andre's strategy. He gave me the sauce at dinner last night.
Right.
Oh,
After he got boosted up, he was like, dude, it always goes back to VWAP.
doesn't always. Just
Oh, you
off the
might be
open,
right.
off the first 5 minutes. I just think we'll get back to 22,000s. I think we will see 22,000s trade again today in the next 5 hours. I've got a hunch we'll see 22,000s. Do sell off here in the NASDAQ 22,000. Oh, sellers got rejected a little bit there. 70, 60, 70 last trade in.
Hey, calm down, Andre. The candle hasn't closed yet.
And I'm trying to drop excitement, man. Aren't you on to what I do by now? Don't you know this is what I do? I'm just trying to hype shit up. What's that? But
Yeah,
okay,
if you
this
guys
is
don't know, Andre's actually really shy in person.
that.
This is all his
The
online
You
ruse.
think it's all an
personality.
act?
It's all facade.
It's all
All
a big
facade.
ruse. They're on to me. They're on to me. Come say hi to me at the trader meetup. You'll see how shy I am indeed. No,
I,
it
s-
was
I scalped along off those 68s.
Yeah, I don't like that wick.
me neither. That was a bad one.
I do not like that wick.
Just missed an entry there. Did not tag me in.
It was looking good. It was looking good for about 10
Was for
seconds.
a solid minute. I was getting ready to sell another one.
Stand pat. Hold on. Stand pat.
Are you still short, Baron?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it.
It's red over
I think
there.
we see 22-1 right here.
I know. That
Here it is.
wick is crazy.
What happened there, man? We bottomed out in the 22,006.5 in the NASDAQ. About 30 points. Buyer said, nope. Not yet. Not yet. So about 5 points off the highs there.
So, Baron, you were talking about that strategy that we talked with Andre about. Remember that full conversation, and we still do have a rate decision. So
I know.
maybe
going
if you
back.
can hold that, if you can hold it,
No,
check it on your phone.
just keep trading, Baron. Keep trading.
No, I'm
saying, I think we're
holding
good.
it. I'm holding it.
What's that say? What did LeBron James say? Jay.
I'm taking my talents to South
Finals?
Beach.
No.
Oh.
In the finals when he was
Jordan's better
down
than
by
me.
3 or what?
What did he say?
It's easy to chirp when you're up.
Oh, yeah, it's very true.
Oh
Very
yeah,
true.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Easy to talk when you're winning.
Taking my talents to South Beach.
That's what he said. Straight off. That's exactly what he said. It's
This,
like,
who else? I remember someone else doing that. Who? It's somebody in the prop space. Who was it? Said that I'm decision taking my talent somewhere.
Well, they didn't take him here, so let's
Yeah.
oh, you guys want? Oh, we got to take Dakota to the statue. We're gonna find time to take Dakota to the statue. You're gonna pay homage to the greatest basketball players ever walked this planet. We're gonna find time. We're taking you to the statue, Dakota.
You're taking me to Cleveland.
Take my talents to South Beach, man. We're gonna take you. I don't care. Come hell or high water. I'm taking you to that to the statue. That is the Michael Jordan statue. It is pretty cool to see. Baron, do you know who Michael Jordan is? I know you're playing Halo. Do you know who Michael Jordan?
He's a guy. He's a guy.
Careful, you're in Chicago, man.
All right, Baron. I'm short. I'm short.
He's
085.
his number's 24. Yeah. No, I know that's Kobe. I know that's Kobe.
Kobe. Yep.
Listen. I have some decent sports knowledge just because I don't play them. Yeah, I don't pay attention to them.
What's your favorite sport?
Hell if I know.
You stumped him.
Insult.
He stumped him.
Wasn't
Order
a very difficult
filled.
question either.
It's called Halo.
No.
It's like, what are the sports again? What are all the sports again?
What is sport?
I love it, man. You guys are the absolute best.
Order
It's-
filled.
It's water polo. Water polo is my favorite.
Hey,
Water polo.
Yeah.
I know you're joking around. Those guys and gals are absolute beasts. That sport is, you got to be mental to play that thing. That is
For water
absolute-
polo? Yeah, oh man.
insanity.
I tried it one time and I'll never do it again. I felt like
How long did you last? How long? Yeah,
a minute.
There. Yeah, I know.
3 minutes,
Absolutely.
maybe?
It's probably a little easier when you're taller.
No.
Love
It's
that.
deeper. It's
How deep's the pool? How deep is
deeper
the
than you
pool?
think. Deeper than you think. Like you think that you'd be able to touch? No. They're actually swimming in water polo. It's you probably went.
Order
I
filled.
think it's like 8 foot deep.
You're not allowed to touch.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's kind of.
Oh, you know the rules. I like this. Our 50-50 on the tilt coming into the top of.
I am short from 085.
Dakota, if you want
Many?
to try it again, we can get you some floaties.
Oh.
Hey,
You know
we
I
all
can
gotta
swim,
learn.
man.
Swim, yeah.
Short again,
all right.
Dakota.
Dakota is short.
Yeah, I'm short
JD,
085.
I'll still in this from.
Still short one.
7.5? Okay, good.
Yeah,
Good
I
stuff.
put in a 5-point stop on this trade. obviously haven't hit it yet, but we're only down about 6 ticks on this trade so far.
Nothing, yeah, nothing too
I'm
bad.
still
All
spent
right,
mine.
come on in.
I
Uh
spent
oh.
most of the
Oh,
time in this trade taking heat, so
Zach. Who's Zach? Uh oh. Got something coming. All right, let's see if we can figure that. Figure it out in the back on P&Ls and payouts, man. Oh man, it's one of my favorite stats. So who else better to bring in than Gabe? This is your pilot speaking, Captain Gabe. Come on in for P&Ls and payouts if you are ready. What's up, Gabe?
What up, Dre? Yo, JD, I gotta give you some shit, man. That mouse is an old man mouse. You got it like twice or three times the size of the normal mouse across that screen. I don't know what
What are you
the deal
talking
is with
about?
that, but just your mouse pointer over your chart, dude,
oh,
is like three times the size of a normal mouse.
I didn't touch
You got
any
that
settings. I
zoomed in
sat
mouse.
down. I'm working with what I was given here.
All
I
right,
used
all
it.
right, all right. Whatever. we got some stats here for you guys.
Order
We got some
filled.
live P&Ls coming at you real quick. We got Gia from Taiwan made $8,300 in the Nasdaq yesterday. Romaine T from France made $6,000 in the NQ. Paul B made $32.99 out of Ohio in the Nasdaq, and Manpreet, Georgia, $2,900 trading the Nasdaq, and a little bit of gold as well. And then Carlos D made $2,800. He's out of Pennsylvania. So those are your top 5 live funded P&Ls. Next up, we have the payouts from yesterday. A familiar name on this list, but we got Ludwig from France made $29,861 straight to the bank. Congrats there, Ludwig. We got Jason from Pennsylvania, took $23,000 straight to the bank. Aldane out of California, 18,100. Tin T from Illinois, 8,000. And Mecca, who we just had on air the other day, took out $7,600 from Ohio. That's going to be your live funded P&Ls and payouts from yesterday. I'm going to send it back to you, Trey.
Thank you, Gabe. Go Mecca is right. Saw her on. That was really cool. Payouts too.
They're
That's what it's
gone.
all about. All about.
Short's working.
Ace.
Better hurry, man. It stopped you out and it's selling off.
Trains leaving without you. 6068. 6068 last trade in the ES. 22,069 last trade in the NASDAQ. Gold signing some
Hey.
buyers here. 3408. $71.99 last trade in crude oil. Saw a little bit of pop in the
Yeah, I took one at 68.
10-year. Yep.
Yep, took one at 68.
Nice. Follow through. Need some follow through. 68 nice trade. 22,007. 075 last trade there. Baron short, I do believe. Correct, Baron? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. It took me a while. It took me a while to get water because Dakota took the last bottle.
did not get their water. Where's their Fiji water? These divas. Where's their Fiji water? Like what? You know?
Yeah.
Wait,
No, I go with any.
do we have an endorsement deal with Fiji? Are we getting
so
paid for this?
sweet. That'd be so
Here we
sweet
go.
if we did.
There we go. Fiji
That water
water.
tastes-
Water of trading.
Where's Brez Scales at?
That water tastes so good. I'm not gonna lie. No, Aquafina. What if we got
you
Aquafina?
you guys are probably a little too old to know what Brez Scales is.
What is it, Baron? Please
You
enlighten
don't
me.
you don't know the Fiji joke. You just don't. I'm just not gonna explain it to you.
I remember you trying to tell a
I-
joke to
I'm just
Michael
not
last
gonna
night at
explain it.
dinner. I told you, I gave you the heads up. I'm like, he ain't gonna get it. He ain't gonna
Yeah,
get
he
that.
did not understand.
That's so good. But yes, Michael
Michael
Batak
left
is
the
in the house. He's going to be at the Trader Meetup tonight. Him, Aaron, JD, everyone. The whole gang's going to be there. We're looking forward to it very, very much. Hopefully the weather cooperates. If not, all good. Let's have a party in the rain. 7 to 9 p.m. tonight.
Is there no inside on this bar that we're going to?
Oh, boy.
You know roofs are a thing, right, Andre?
Man, Baron don't quit. Baron didn't quit
Going
right away.
Hey, hey,
Listen,
you spent like a good hour in the confession room last night.
No, it was like I was literally in there for like 5 minutes, maybe. I mean, listen, Dan- uh, Danielle got me the white monster in the morning. I'm ready to rip.
What did you just say?
He's ready to get after it.
I had a white monster this morning.
White
Oh.
Monsters, indeed. White Monster.
White,
We had the whole.
I'm juiced
we had
up
the
on
whole-
white monster and nicotine. This is
They had
the
the whole
standard
fridge.
setup.
You should have seen. They had the
That's not
fridges
the-
stocked. They had private
I was
chefs.
thinking of a totally
you guys are
different white
selling-
monster.
You guys are gonna be seeing all this. Wait, I don't want to give too. I don't want to give too much behind the scenes, but you got to see how they're living. They're living good, but it was really cool. It's Top Step's very first office. They were there, training it up, make some cool
Sure,
stuff
it's
from
looking
there.
a little bit better now.
Yeah,
We couldn't hit
Yeah, I'm
that
holding.
22-100. Yeah, it's looking pretty
I'm
good.
holding. We pushed in that low volume node that I wanted. Sellers are showing up, so pretty easy setup.
How many contracts are you in?
3.
Okay.
Nice
Okay.
trade.
Why only 3?
What do you mean? Why only 3?
I thought you did you add to it? I thought you was gonna add to it.
I had 1 on it first, and then I added to 3. 3 is normal size.
What do you mean? Why only 3? They're all in the same room too, folks. This is incredible. We're on to something
JD,
here.
they want to know who's sitting behind me. It's JD.
Look at that.
It's JD. We're all in the same
Jay,
place.
Jay,
We're all in this together,
Dakota's
guys.
not even
No.
looking at the screens anymore. He's zoning out.
Hey, you know what? I'm watching your guys' screens. I know why
Can
you guys
we-
have an advantage. I only have 2 monitors. Everybody else has 4.
Can we get
filled.
A,
I
can
just
we
have
get
your
like a
face on one,
Subway
Dakota.
Surfers YouTube video up for Dakota so we can hold his attention.
This is fantastic. Jay, what'd you think? How'd you guys get downtown today? You guys, boy, I know how you guys
Uber.
got there. What kind
Black
of?
Uber.
We got a
was an
private
Uber.
chauffeur, Andre. What you mean?
You should see them out there getting towed around, man. Black car this, black car that. Oh, right this way, Mr. Baron. Jay, please sit down, Mr. Dakota.
I
Right.
tried
I
to
think
around
you
the
use
city
last.
today.
I think you
Shout
use
out to
last
Top
names
Step.
when you call someone Mister.
I don't know your last name,
I'm a
man. I don't know your last
adjust
name. I do, but
You just don't want to leak my own
I
stuff.
added, guys. I added my short too. I'm short too.
what's the
I
price?
adjusted
Nice, JD.
stop.
Average
JD, what we
price
got?
60, 69, 69. Eddie's second favorite number.
Dakota's favorite numbers. All right, last trade 60
favorite number.
67 in the ES.
Order
22,061 last trade in the NASDAQ. Almost got to 22,100. 3 points away, about 30, 35 points off those
Shoot,
highs.
wrap you up.
22,061. 061.
Liking the price
Oh, he was
action
at
right
dinner.
here.
Oh, he was definitely at dinner.
11 o'clock.
Had good taste
Yeah,
for
yeah,
a
the pineapple.
Not liking it at all.
digestif. Very, very tasty. Dolby, what was that? In the chat. That was very, very delicious.
Hey, I will say, Chicago's got some killer fucking
So what?
food. Some killer food. Killer food.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
we don't
for
miss.
sure.
Yeah, we do. It is pretty effing good, isn't it, Barrett? It is pretty effing good.
It is pretty good.
Yeah.
We also have
I
a zoo with the laziest animals on the planet. None of them wanted to come out yesterday. We walked around for a good 20 minutes.
It was
and
hot as hell out, JD. You think those polar bears
Shit
are hot
was
as
a
out?
zoo.
Those
Yeah,
polar
it was
bears-
about 105 degrees out.
It was more like a park.
Yeah.
I kind of feel bad. I kind of feel bad for those animals. Not gonna lie, it's like I'll just leave it there. 22,065. Overnight VWAP trend's still moving
Yeah.
higher here.
I'm not impressed with this downside volume anymore, so I'm working. I'll stop to scratch this trade if we get back up.
We'll stay in this thing. Coming to the top of the hour here.
We get up to.
I'm flat.
I just noticed my orders aren't popping up on Top Step X.
I'm flat.
Orders.
Plus 1100.
All right, that's
I
your
will
P&L right now,
make me
Dakota.
go long.
Well, you were just negative. Now you're positive. Guy.
5 minis,
Off
man.
the
That's,
VWAP, he
decent
tested it
P&L
once,
swings on this in this
Yeah,
market.
once, twice,
Lincoln Park Zoo. They went to
3
Lincoln Park
times.
Zoo. Coming up. Oh, hey. Oh, okay. Also, I know it's FOMC day, but I'm very, very excited for this. Very, very excited for this. After we got morning recap, of course. Then we got this. I'm very, very pumped for this. We got Dolby Tej and
Oh,
Coach
I
Robert doing
see.
Top Step X API
34,
sandbox. All right.
3.
Go about the APIs here on Top Step X. They're doing a sandbox from call it 11:15, right after morning recap.
Okay.
Stay tuned for this. I'm gonna be staying tuned. We're gonna learn how to
Thank
perhaps
you
use
a lot.
APIs. What is an API? How do we use it to our advantage? How does it help us level the playing field against damn algos that can sometimes take our lunch? Yeah, Dolby Time, Tej, and Coach Robert. Top Step X API Sandbox. Very, very excited for that. Then we got Lunchbox Trading
This
with
is my
Dave Hoop Vince.
Hikinachi.
Of course, 1 p.m. to the close Got
Yep.
FOMC. That's
Okay.
all I'm gonna say. It's FOMC. You know what it is. Stay locked
Looking
in.
good.
We'll be
Looking
here
good for long.
from start to finish. Then we got at the
I
bar.
like it long.
Go ahead.
I'm fading
Let me
Baron.
see
I'm
here.
long from
Oh,
67.
I got an order. I got to
I just got stopped.
cancel orders.
Scratch. Let's go flat
Cancel. I
again.
got to remember that.
All right, taking profits right here. The 70s. Boom. Profitable fading Baron. I'm profitable
Ooh.
I
fading you, man.
haven't touched my
How's
trade.
the full
I haven't,
hour?
I haven't touched my trade in the last 10 minutes. So
Look at the
So does that
daily.
make my point on why someone's saying I faded you and not following the exact person's rules?
well,
Does that make the point?
Daily.
I-
Got it.
Hmm.
This baby.
you're
out
telling me to
here
trade without a
here.
stop loss when I'm fading you. So that's just not smart
No,
in general.
I'm saying if you
Possibility.
fade someone, you need to follow
Um,
the opposite of their strategy, right? That's a true fade. Or else what I just did is classified as a fade under your definition. I was going the opposite of the direction you are. I just got in and out different times.
Oh, that's my door. Just door here.
Do
I
we
got
solve it?
quiet.
Okay.
Days.
Got quiet.
I'm short a one lot, 67 half.
67. 67's in NASDAQ, correct?
Nasdaq. Yep. Yep.
Cool. 2000.
Yeah, it may add
Oh,
to
block
this if
pop.
we reject at 80s again.
All right. So 82,000. 072. JD 068. We scratched. We got out. What happened? I know you like to see that thing move and move quickly. It didn't go.
We
You
were
got
in-
out. You can always get back in,
Yeah.
though, right, JD?
I was in that trade for over 20 minutes, and we just weren't seeing any follow through the downside. Volume is drying up right now. Selling pressure just looked like it wasn't impressive to me. So I put in a stop to scratch, and we got dinged on it.
Okay. No foul. Good stuff. Baron is short, just chilling. Baron, he will sit in these trades. He will sit in
I'll
these
sit in
trades.
trades for
He
a
will.
long time.
PFX wants to give some kudos to Andre. Andre, your energy, and shout out to anyone who steps in that role to fill Andre's energy, because it is it's a tough. I've done it a couple times. It's a tough job to do. But
Yeah, Baron. You hear that?
323 where we hasn't
Thank you,
gone.
Doug.
Long
Thank you.
73.
I appreciate that. It's very kind. Very kind. Longs from 73. Dakota taking trades left, right, and center. We got Dakota is long from 073. Baron short from
Yeah.
081. How's it count? Flat for now.
I was kind of flat. Looking like a good exit so far.
Take profit. 80.
JD, man, you've two no
Yeah,
trades.
I'm gonna reverse this up to the 0.4.
What do you okay? The 0.4. What does that mean?
Yeah.
When you say the 0.4, what's that price? First of all, what's the price? What's the price for 0.4, and what does that mean?
22,104. It's a initial balance extension.
So 0.4%, 40%, 0.4 of what, Baron? Help me understand.
It's you take the do you not understand how standard deviation works, Andre?
Oh boy. No, Baron, I know exactly what the hell you're talking about. They don't. They don't know, so
Here
I'm
we
trying
go.
to
Here we go.
Okay, you essentially you take the IB and you're taking that 40%, 30% like above. So it's like the 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 of the IB. It's essentially what it is.
Yep. Extension. I like that. Thank you. That's good stuff. 10-year pushing a little higher
Boom,
here.
boom, boom. Take profit right there.
Dakota
84s.
long, man.
83s.
I'm just gonna. I feel like I have to bump size just to match Dakota. So I'm not.
love
I'm
it,
not
Barry.
taking a shot of Doritos, tequila, or whatever it is.
I got him scared over there. You hear him? I'm up $2,300 now.
Yeah, I definitely got to bump size up.
Maybe we should have never Maybe we should have never shared P&Ls and get him comfortable at like plus $100, and then. What do you got? What do you got?
This
I'm
is
at
fantastic.
546.
Ooh, nice job. Nice job. 546. Top of the hours come and gone. Baron's still short. Keep on this 10-year.
No,
Jay
I'm long
flat.
now. I'm long now. I reversed.
I'm short. I'm short. I'm short.
Who's doing positions back there? I can't even keep up. I don't know how they're keeping up back there. All right, Jay is long or Jay is short. Hold on, what are you guys?
We're stressing out the production team here.
You're stressing me out.
This is stress test. Stress test on Top
Who
Step
knows?
TV.
Who knows, man? Who knows at this point? All right. You know what I do know? We got the watch party. Eddie, come on in. I can't keep up with these guys. Eddie's got his eye on the wire. Eddie, I need a breather. Come tell us about what happened today. Whew.
My goodness, boy, head on a swivel here. Today, yes, we've been talking about this here. We're gonna have another watch party.
Mm,
What are we gonna watch?
I'm
Well, we're gonna be watching
going to
Jerome
go
Powell
to
and his purple tie with the FOMC meeting
my
today. That's gonna be at
baby.
1 p.m. Central Time.
This one
So
right
today, be
here.
here at 1
Let's see.
p.m. Central
Ooh,
Time for our
nice.
FOMC Top Step
Let's go.
Watch Party. And
Where is
also,
it? Where is it?
just
Right
want
here,
to let
right here,
people
right
know
here.
here tomorrow.
One,
Tomorrow's going to be
two,
Thursday.
3.
Thursday.
Take me.
We're going to be
Four,
off
four,
the
four, four.
air
Please, please,
in
please,
honor
please,
of the
please, please.
Juneteenth
God, pick
holiday.
me up, pick
We
me
encourage
up.
everyone to
Pick
take this
me
time
up,
to
pick
reflect,
me up,
recognize
please.
the importance of this day in American history. So
Nice.
tomorrow we are
Come on.
off. We'll be back Friday, but
Yes.
yeah,
Order
tell your friends
filled.
about this 1
All
p.m. watch
right.
party.
We're
It gets pretty
short.
big. All right,
We're
and
short.
pass it around if you got some social media.
Woo!
Let them know about it. Let's pack the house here today at Top Step TV for our FOMC
Here we
watch
go.
party. We have a good time. And that's what I've got here. Back to you, Andre.
Awesome. Eddie, will I be
Okay,
seeing you tonight?
so let's look.
Yamo be there.
Let's look.
Yamo be
Let's
there.
look at
Sure
what
enough,
we got
bro.
here.
Give you a big
Man, the
manly
myth,
hug.
the
Good to
legend.
see you again.
Kid Comedy, E-Money. Oh, meet him. Meet Mr. Hoagland. John Hoagland will be in the house. I don't know who's going to be there. Hell, and a lot of people from that aren't on. Top Step will be there as well. Not just Top Step TV. Top Step will be there. Top Step is much more than the talking heads that jump on here all the time.
Gotta know. Gotta know.
To back the trader, support the trader, and
So,
you're gonna get to meet
those
who is
far
truly behind.
It's just Andre who's the
in futures, I'm inclined
You don't want me on support.
with
I could never
gold
do a shot to support.
and
Mark, you're gonna meet the real people behind
and the Dow.
Yeah,
YM.
family, this army. So come, very
Yeah.
excited to see everyone
Gotta know.
this
I
evening.
Gotta
will,
know.
I will say that I'm surprised in a very positive
see.
way of how big the Top Step team really is.
Mhm.
Uh,
It's
Okay, so
we showed the picture.
here.
We showed the team picture when we were in Vegas a couple months ago. It's grown from there, and we're not done growing.
Anything we throw
Always
another
here,
one in
innovating,
here.
pushing. Always leading the industry. I mean, let's be honest. You see the copycats out there, and you know what they're
Cross
copying,
here, I'm
copying
gonna
off of. So
add.
we'll leave it at that. And coming into Euro close, 25 minutes. 25 minutes to the European close. Let's take a look at these markets now. 34.07 last trade in gold. Take a look at
Order
crude
filled.
oil, $72.13.
Oh, I pressed the
huge sell-off
button
about
before
an hour ago. In crude, we were about $2
before
sell-off.
the deed. Oh
In
my
crude. Take a look at
goodness.
the NASDAQ.
My bad.
22,078.
My bad.
078.
My bad.
And we found a holding pattern for right now. Again, make sure you guys stay tuned for that API sandbox. That is really cool. This might be a first. It's kind of like this. It's by my dream for Top Step
I saw
TV. I
Adobe
want
was
to have.
saying
Yeah.
the guest that's coming on has 67,000 followers on Udemy, which is like a education platform. That's pretty big.
That's good.
Wow.
That's legit, right?
Yeah, that's a lot. So
I've used Udemy.
What is you?
What is it? Yeah, what is it?
it's like a not self-taught, because you're teaching someone, but you know any topic you really want to learn about, you can find on Udemy, right? Baron, what have you used it for?
Data analysis, stuff like that.
Okay.
Andre
Sweet.
can probably find a standard deviation course on.
Yeah, standard deviation is 0.4 extension, rate extension to the 100 this, 100 that. I mean, yeah, that's really cool. It's Aaron, that one fell flat. Is your microphone working? No one laughed at that joke. I'm messing with you. Yes, that's very cool. Who else is doing that? We're the ones that bring the real deal. I know
Okay,
maybe some people
so
like
where
WWE
are we
shit. I
going
get it,
to
yell,
take?
scream, swear, all that, but this is the real deal. The API
I
sandbox,
want to
very, very much.
take
Before that, Chris Robert,
another
the Riz will be on here. Dolby and Hedge,
another
man,
order
bringing it
right
in
here
hot today.
to
Top Step
make it
TV. All right, let's go around the horn.
6
JD, we are flat
right
right now.
there.
House count is flat. Nothing done.
Okay,
And
Aaron, can you
we're
Aaron,
going to
update the
take
position?
everything
Yeah,
off
I'm gonna close
right
this long.
here.
I think my short still looks good.
And
So I kind of want to get back to the short. I think the initial position was
well,
good.
let me
I
see
just flipped
some.
because Dakota was,
You get
these
influenced a
all
little
be
bit.
whops?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Uh-huh.
What's your P&L right now, Baron?
I don't know what his
down
position
$100.
is. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, nice.
Baron?
I'm back in short. I'm back in
Okay,
shorts.
what
You're
price,
down
Baron?
$100, Baron.
Come on, pick it
Yeah,
up,
it's all
pick it
good.
up, pick it up, pick it
And then you
up,
just jumped
pick
these
it
shorts?
up.
Yeah, I did.
How big is that size?
Hey, Baron. I know this
Oh,
is
you
this is
jumped
your
to the 4
first time.
minis.
Here's
Yeah.
another.
What's
You're
your price,
going for
Baron?
it. Okay. Okay.
22069.
069.
That's
Damn, sure
where's
fine.
my
All right,
14?
20,064 last
Eddie's favorite
trade.
number.
Yep. All right. ES
Where's my
finally starting to show
I am
some
short of
14
signs of.
here?
There we go. Here come the sellers.
I
Yeah,
am
my
short
initial
two
834.
lot.
position was good.
Jay
Should've just
is
held it.
short. What
Why do
price,
I
Jay?
have
70.75. Let's give you up,
6,000.
Dre.
Uh-oh.
Gotta go
I'm
back.
missing the
Gotta go back to these.
34 here. Did I
Tell me
just
we're not gonna see
erase
22,000
it
split
by
today.
mistake?
All I'm asking.
Must
065 to 6065 last trade.
must
JD, do we jump
erased
back
it by
in?
mistake.
We did not. No, nothing done.
Okay. All good. All good. We're not going to chase. Market's being a bit stubborn right now, moving the downside. Buyers are holding. They're fighting the good fight right now. In the NASDAQ, bottom out at 22,058. Up about 10 points higher, trade 068. These guys took the shorts. We come into the Euro close in about 22 minutes. Dakota, you got something
You
on
got
it. You
that
got something
Dorito
cooking.
alcohol handy for Baron?
God.
I dare you.
This is
I
gonna
dare you
get
to
me
take a
ready.
swig.
drunk
Ready to
before
go.
the trader meet up.
Where is it? Who's got it? Pass it around. Is it there? Is it really there, Dakota?
No, I don't know. Is that it? Is that it right there?
Is that it? Is it here?
Yeah,
Jay's got
Baron.
it. Jay's got it.
Jay has it.
Oh God! Just smell it. Take a whiff of it. What do you think? Watch this. Watch this face. Watch this face. All right, go to Jay here.
Take a swig, Jay. Go for it. Take a
I
rip.
dare you take a pull of that thing. Yeah, that's the Doritos
See?
Spirit Green. Moonshine.
I've tried it also.
Get his mic working. Get his mic working.
He's shaking his head. He's saying that's
You don't want that.
Oh yeah, here we
You
go.
don't
I
want-
muted myself. I muted
That's
myself.
3
This is,
times, Jay.
This is not. That's 3 times. 3 times
That's
confirmed.
All right,
I'm in
give
a
us
new
a
office,
breakdown.
man. I'm adjusting.
I got you.
It smells like Doritos and
I
gas
know you
station
could do this.
alcohol. Right. This sounds like if you were just you had the shittiest day.
I just leave it
Your
like
car broke down.
okay.
It's like I'm walking home. I need
But
something to drink. It's
visibility
cold out. I'm drinking this, and
Do it.
You're swigging it.
is
He's doing
I'm
it.
not. I'm not.
He's pulling it.
Oh,
Come on, pull
man.
it, Jay.
Come on, Jay.
You guys
It's
peer
Oh,
pressuring the guy.
he just did it.
You guys peer pressuring. Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
What's it
Yeah.
taste like? Oh, he's
I
gone.
wouldn't say good. Good is not the word I would use. Good is not the word I would use.
Okay,
but,
so the
right.
idea
good.
here
You say we
is
did it.
What
to
it tastes
get
like.
we can say we did it.
um
Jay, Malort
What's
or
up?
the Doritos?
get one
Which,
in
which
right
you
here
go, Joe?
Malort.
and
Malort.
then get
Malort.
out
Malort better?
everything
1000%,
right
yeah.
here.
That was like wow.
Woo.
Let's
well,
see
All right,
if
let's
we
trade it up,
we
baby.
do something
hey,
different.
don't
All
worry.
right,
No,
short's
don't
coming in.
worry.
Short's coming in.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
they
joined
are.
you. I joined you. I'm
Great
short
stuff,
from,
Jay. Great
59.
job.
Excellent, Jay. Excellent.
Wow, that was terrible.
Dakota, you joined. Dakota, you did join.
You wanna sh-
Yes, sir.
Can Doritos liquor improve your trading? We'll find out in a few minutes.
Stay tuned to find out here on Top Step TV.
Yeah,
No, this is
if I start
absolutely blast.
overtrading
If you guys
now,
are
I'm
loving
gonna
this,
blame it on that Doritos liquor.
I hope you guys are absolutely loving this. This is a
This
first. We've never really done something like this.
not
Flying the guys out,
the one, but
trading,
I like it a
lifestyle,
lot.
Chicago, Top Step.
Right
This has been really,
here
this has been absolutely enjoyable.
at
Click like, click follow, click subscribe, click notify.
4254.
Go follow Baron's Discord. Go follow all these fellas on the X as well. This has been an absolute
42,
blast.
I'm not on
So
X.
much
I'm only on IG.
Oh,
got banned.
You're on all that. You're on all
Aaron,
that.
did
You're
you
on your
get- did you
phone.
get
I'll
banned?
put it this way. You're
No,
on your
okay.
phone.
I opened an X account, a business account. I posted one thing. I bought Twitter Blue, and then they suspended my account. I appealed it, and then there was no. I appealed it like twice, and just never got an email back from them.
What'd
I'm
you
short
post?
10.
What
What was the
I,
post?
I posted something that was posted on my IG. It was just it wasn't anything crazy.
I thought X is like free game. I thought X is the Wild Wild West, and IG has a little bit more filter, if you will.
I'm
All right,
short
keep an eye on
10.
this.
Okay,
Real?
getting aggressive. I like.
Yeah, I mean,
Oda loading up. Here we go.
have you seen Kanye West X? Like it is the Wild West.
He's going through some stuff, Baron.
Do we have snacks or something in this office? I need to get that taste out of my mouth.
What do you mean? You just had Doritos. What's wrong? What's wrong with Doritos?
Yeah. Give him a bag of Doritos.
Yeah, man, we'll get you something. Hey, all right, real quick. What's on tap for the
I'm
rest of
gonna
your guys'
write
day? I
these
know you guys got
down
some things in
because
store. Let's see if these trades. You don't have to tell them specific
Oh, yeah.
volume,
locations. You guys are gonna go check out the city, check out
profile,
JD. What
Yeah.
else you got on tap? What
volume,
these fellas gonna
We
do?
got we're gonna go take a tour of
R,
the SIBO trading floor real quick, right after
What's
Fast
SIBO?
Markets. Chicago Board of Options Exchange.
Very cool. Very
We're gonna
cool.
go walk the floor for just a few minutes. Then we're gonna go have
These
lunch
shouldn't be those
across the street from the
inches.
Bean, Cloudgate, the famous sculpture,
Mhm.
whatever it is. Is it a sculpture?
Mhm.
I don't know.
Call it
No,
that.
What else we got?
PM,
I'm gonna
A
take these
little
guys
lunch and
on.
meetups.
I'm gonna
A,
take these guys for a ride on the L.
Boy, oh boy.
Oh, man, look at you
Mm.
guys. Dakota, can we get that position? You are short 10 NQ from what price?
Right here, right now, 060 half.
14,
2060 half.
and
Awesome stuff. Field Museum.
Order filled.
Field Museum. All right, to 6065 last trade in the ES. 3405 last trade in gold. Gold. No, Baron's the man. Baron's been taking a ride on the L all morning. No, Boomer Brian. Boomer
Ooh.
Brian. You're in Estonia. That got Baron. Man, good job, Boomer.
Hey, you come up here.
Oh.
You come up here, bro. Come on, come up on TV.
Yeah, Boomer Brian.
Fill out
Come on,
the
let's go.
fill out the Top Step TV trader for him. All right, I want
Yeah.
to see you on live.
Crash out.
Shout out to Boomer
Yeah,
Brian.
don't make me crash out. You don't want to see me crash out.
Crash out incoming.
Okay,
pick
let's
me up.
see
We're
where at.
6.
10, you're nothing really doing
So
just yet. Again,
this should be
we got Euro
UC
close,
right here.
17 minutes. 17 minutes.
When he gets here,
It's a bit of a holding pattern. We got there's some shorts
I want
in
to do
here.
5.
We're gonna go. It's a
When
little
we get to there,
Can't get the follow through. Dakota, you are short from 060. Oh, 060.
no,
You're locked
Yep.
in right
just
now.
1,
How are you gonna manage this trade? I know we roll over maybe.
5,
Get
Yeah,
out
I'm
with
looking
how
for
many?
I'm gonna be closing out with you.
should be UC
3.
right there,
Yes.
101.
Come on,
All right,
3
so
contracts. If we do start to sell off,
we're looking
not
at
looking for much though. Not looking for much. This is not a big
At,
swing trade.
I'm looking
Just
for about
scalps.
50 points.
Looking for scalps
Fun.
here.
Fun, please. Yeah,
I'm
okay.
waiting for this to
065.
break back to 22,000s.
ES might lead the way down. You're damn right, Jay. ES got to make the first move. Like
moving.
ES is going to lead us lower if it wants to go. We got to get into the 062s.
Let Andrea know to take me off.
Yeah. You guys are back on.
065. 065. Last trade there. And we got to push. We got to get that follow through. 71% short ES right now. Average
Yeah,
price.
nothing.
71%. I can hear you, JD. 71% short in ES of 60, 65. 60, 65. Gotta go. Come on. Get some shorts in the house. Bottom of the hour. Yep. Go close in
in there, he's getting
15
there.
minutes. 15
He's getting
minutes
there.
indeed.
Where's the other one?
Dakota, you
Wait,
got a target on
what
this?
is this? What is this?
Just in
What is this headline?
case.
Baron close to crash out live on TV.
Session, debug session,
What is this?
what is this one?
Don't put that up there.
Wait,
Put that
what?
up there.
What happened? What happened?
Keep it up.
Andre, you know you got to see me later.
Screenshot it.
What happened? What happened? I
You
missed
gotta
it.
see me
Shit, I
later.
missed it. What happened? Damn it. Oh, I missed a good joke. Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, man. FOMO. Serious FOMO. What was it? What did you show? I mean, Cooper versus Rest. Yep.
Are we all short
66.
here?
Oh,
I think so.
I don't think everyone is. Me and you are, Dakota.
I'm short.
Oh, you're short too, Baron?
The whole team's short then.
All right. It's either going to go really good
How
or really bad.
how many check marks did we get?
Check mark. We got 4 over here.
Oh,
Live from
dude,
Chicago.
do not. Should I wear my checkmark shirt to the meetup tonight?
Order filled.
Oh, no. You would.
Do you guys have your outfits picked out? Be honest. Dakota, I know you got options. I know you got options
I
for
got
offense,
options.
man.
Yeah,
Hey,
Dakota packs like a woman.
hey, if you say I pack like a woman, you're saying that Coach J packs like a woman. And we both brought 2 bags
It's a 4-day trip. Why do you need 2 bags?
because I
mean,
can't
hey.
Gotta have
respect
options.
what we have going on here. We got
Feel
options.
good,
You're
look
wearing
good.
a black tee and what do you mean?
What do you
Did you
mean?
guys plan out your
You see
outfits?
this?
You guys have your fit
This
for
is the
tonight.
style.
Yes, Dre. Yes. The answer
I
is
know
yes,
you,
Dre.
dude.
100%.
Jay
Let's
dresses
see if it
nice.
was
Jay
worth
dresses nice,
Yes.
man.
not
I'm
picking
going
up
for the best
100
dressed
bucks there.
trader in on YouTube title.
Okay.
Where
I
are
saw
we
some
looking at?
posts about who's the best looking, and that's
Hey,
that's subjective. But
it's tough. It's tough.
what did Ye say, Dre? As soon as I got salad, I spent it all on dressing. Well, let's make some money. Let's make some money on this
23,
trade. And
Yeah, I love it, man. You guys are on fire, absolutely on fire. Bringing hate. You guys are
23.
awesome. It's weird. Question: when you guys met each other at the airport, when we met each other in person, was it awkward? Was it weird? What did you guys expect? Baron, what'd you say to me? Let's get that out of the way right now.
You
whole
were
thing.
you were shorter than I expected.
And
You keep bringing this up, but like I didn't say
better
you're
looking
putting
than he
words in my
expected.
mouth.
Skinnier, better looking than he expected too. He's like, man,
No, I did not say
Section
that.
B what?
Shit. No, but all reality, how was it when you guys met each other? Obviously, I'll speak for myself. It wasn't weird at all. It's kind of like I kind of feel like we knew you guys
Nice.
from doing this. Obviously, we're on screen,
Nice.
but what did it feel
Right
like
up
for
to
you,
B
Jay?
what?
You met everyone in person
yeah,
for the first
so
time.
So
like you
we
said,
need to put
you
this
know, it
baby
felt
like
we knew each
right
other.
there.
And
Pick
you know, it
it
felt like
up
we were
right
seeing a
at
friend.
B what?
Hold on one second. Look at that
Ooh,
echo because I really want to hear this. I want to
nasty.
hear this. See if we get that echo
Holy
dialed in back
crap.
there. And you guys got trades on.
Holy crap.
It's not an echo.
Little
It's
did I
just
know.
people talking.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm back. This is what
good.
happens when you're in the office, right? You got people, you got background noise. But yeah, it was great to meet everyone in person for the first time. Like you said, Dre, it's kind of like we knew each other, right? I saw Dakota in the airport first, and I was just like, oh, here this guy goes. But yeah, you know, it makes it more real what we're doing here. You realize that everybody has legs. You see everybody's personality. Shout out to Dolby. You guys are gonna see it, but Dolby, you know,
Oh man.
this shirt is pretty fire.
Oh
but Dolby
man.
with the
Ooh,
I
pineapple
No,
didn't
shirt.
see that
gas.
B what right
Gas.
there.
Yes.
Now we're going to have a little
Yes.
challenge getting through there.
But yeah,
So
it's,
we got the
it's cool to meet
regular
people in
B
person,
WAP
and then
at
you know, MP shows up, and that just cherry on top right there. Meeting the guy that started this space in the space that he started it in. It's different. What about you
42,
guys?
Yeah, Baron thoughts. I know you're
45.
gonna make a joke of
Yeah,
this because this is
what
Damn.
Jay said.
they do.
That would have been
replay it.
nice.
Just replay it.
This would have been an 800 number.
Baron
Oh, crap.
Dakota,
Crappity
You took the
crap.
words out of my mouth. Okay?
Where are you?
And
That's never
you're
happened.
trying
No one takes the words out of your
trying-
mouth, man.
You're trying to put words in my
So
mouth.
we're gonna
Andre,
ask.
Jay's pulling them out.
We're going to app.
I'm just trying.
I
I'm trying
really
to get out of the
believe
way.
we're
of
going
this
to
market
get
because
down
Marcus
there.
Yeah,
So
Dakota.
funny.
I didn't want to look at it
He's
because it's
funny.
going our way. Dakota, are you sure still short 10, Dakota?
Yeah, I'm still short 10.
okay, a
And
0 right here.
yes, Baron.
1.
This
Yes,
thing has
Baron.
gone flat
Let's
again.
see how he reacts. Let's see,
Kinda,
let's see,
basically
let's
what
see.
Coach Jay said.
Let's look at the
Made it more real. I've known Coach Jay for what, Jay, 2 years, and we've been coaching together. I wasn't even trading Top Step when I was coaching with Jay. It was just fun banter back and forth, trading my personal account, helping traders. And
everything
before
is
any of this
turning back
started,
now.
before the Top Step TV, before what we're doing here, Jay and I was talking, in text. We was talking through
Where
phone.
is the 14
And
at? Do
a
we
lot of
have
our
a
conversation
0 around
was
here?
like we know a lot about
Do
each
we
other
have a
outside of
0
Top Step.
around here? No.
And then to be able to meet in person was really
We got
nice.
a
And have this
0
camaraderie.
right
Of
here.
course, when the camera's on, trying to be a little bit more
How much we
energetic
got? 1 minute?
and
Oh, yeah, it's
fun.
going to do it.
But we've had some pretty deep conversations.
It's
And
going to get us.
futures of what we're looking for.
It's going to get
future
us.
of Top Step.
Maybe
Future
not.
of
Maybe not.
what we have planned.
Got a
And
minute.
with Baron, I mean, I just like I don't know who this kid is. Taller than I expected. I know you're 6'6", but whenever you see someone that's 6'6" in person, you're out. It's a little bit of that wow factor. And then like, man, you don't have anybody to iron your shirts. So, you know, You know he's a single man living by
Yeah,
himself. And acting light. I
Shit.
mean,
Wow.
I mean, is the girl you've been on 50 dates with, but you're not dating? Is she ironing your
Oh,
shirts?
here we go.
Good
Okay, we're
bounce.
talking about it.
Oh, now we're talking.
Good bounce.
Now we're talking.
no,
Shots
man.
fired.
Good
I iron my own
bounce.
clothes. If you woke up one time, you would
Wow.
have seen.
Oh,
I was up at
Such a
like
good bounce that I want
7:15.
to.
Was
I
just
want to
chilling.
get out.
Yeah.
Did you guys have breakfast? Did they make breakfast for you guys? Did you guys have
They
lunch?
they had it sent over.
Look at you guys,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Oh, what a
It's good,
life.
too.
What a life. What a life, man. Private chefs,
All right, I
black
might take
cars.
one off here. Kind of slowing down at these 2250s. Might take
We
one
done,
off,
Jay.
but yeah, we got 50 points to go. We got 50 points to go. This will be a nice trade. I'm
Alright.
almost back to scratch on the day.
I took profit
I
right there.
should have
One at
taken the
48
6.
or 2.
Okay.
I'm still in 5. I'm still in full position.
I'm gonna put the order in if it gets tagged. If we get back above 50, I'll take one off. Got one out at 50.75, and then I'm gonna go break even on the second one, and let's see if that will be the runner to 22,000. So back to 885 down on the day is kind of where I started slow markets. Sorry, this is not slow markets. This is fast markets. What are you talking about, Jay? It's that Dorito liquor talking. But yeah, we're gonna try to hold this runner down to 22,000s, at least to VWAP. VWAP's at 2211.
This looks ready to just flush.
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
I agree.
It looks
agree.
ready to just fall out of bed.
You know where it's going. we got 6 minutes. 6 minutes till.
Tell me it's not going back to VWAP.
I mean, we're never gonna see that pricing. That's all I'm saying.
We have FOMC coming up too.
What's up?
Well, we got that FOMC coming. JD, are we flat right now?
We are flat.
Oh, cool.
Do we want to do the reveal?
Well, we've got to reveal. I mean, yeah.
What?
This is what do we got? We have a reveal. Talk to me, JD. What do we got?
Oh, there's a little. Somebody sent us a special gift box. We're gonna open it up here in just a few minutes. I might have jumped the gun there.
Oh.
Somebody sent us a gift box.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Man, what could it be? Very kind. Do we know who it's from? Once you get your hands on that, let's do it.
Oh.
Order filled.
All right,
we got 5
coming
minutes. Okay. Oh shoot, you're on the. All right, go ahead, JD. Let's go.
What do we got here?
Okay, so we're out.
This is from
I wanted to get. Let me see something.
the winner of our Stetson
Let me
contest.
see
Actually, sent us a shot
Is it?
with his
Can we get
Stetson
50?
and his dog
Let's do
Nice hat.
$50
and a nice letter.
with regular
Should-
gold.
Danielle and TV crew, thanks for the Stetson. Wanted to return the favor with some local beverages. The coffee is from a shop here in town. The guy that owns it is a huge asshole, but the man can roast some coffee. Additional local beverages included. I tune into the show almost every day since I started back in September of 2023. You know you need to take a break when the voices in your head become TSTV personalities. Sorry about that, bro. Jay telling me, see money, take money. Dakota saying, don't move your stop. Dolby saying, don't short America. Thanks again for the hat and the community that you all provide on behalf of the silent majority that watch the show but don't feel the need to voice their feelings every time a trade doesn't go their way in the chat. Thank you sincerely, Rockjock. P.S. Go Cows. P.P.S. My man behind the scenes, Eddie. Tried to find some local edibles, but struck out. Thanks for staying on top of the news for us. Poor Eddie. No love for Eddie.
Is that coffee? That smells amazing.
Oh, yeah. So we got a whole bunch of stuff here. Autumn Crescendo.
This is pretty dope. Look at this.
You were looking for
So-
coffee this morning.
Guys, would you guys want to show? Do you guys want to show it into the camera? Would you guys like to show? Thank you. This is a visual
Yeah,
medium. Would you
yeah.
guys- thank you.
I
Please
was
show it to the
reading it.
camera.
I wanted to get a good description of it before I threw it up there. It's all in plastic
Ooh.
bags. Here's some orange grapefruit wellness tea.
Would you mind taking it out of the bags? Would you mind?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. Yeah, here we go.
Listen,
Do you
Andre,
mind putting a
you know,
inch between your cheek and
messing with you.
gums?
A lot of moving parts here. I'm messing with JD.
smells delightful.
I want to get this to 800, but I want to do it right.
What's this? A beer?
And I don't see it on gold.
Walnut
it.
River.
Walnut River Brewing Company.
Don't see, let's
It's an
do
Irish red ale.
this right
Product
here.
Are we shotgunning
from the
these?
USA.
Oh, cool. Look at that.
I'm not messing with the shirt, Baron.
We already got Jay drinking. Let's get this party started.
He's got a whole box of stuff. What is it? Christmas over there?
Who? What's their name again,
5%
JD?
alcohol.
What else we got?
Who did this,
There's
JD?
stuff in
Let's
there.
give him a shout out.
Coffee tea?
Rock
One
Chalk
shot for
here in
coffees.
chat.
Is Rock
Yes,
Chalk in
yes,
the chat?
Dan.
Awesome.
3 minutes to the London close, folks. 3 minutes, London close.
Oh,
We
and
go
his
ahead
trading
here.
buddy. His dog is Kodiak. Trading buddy Kodiak.
He,
sweet.
he's working again.
Ooh, look at that.
Out.
Oh,
Salt City
miss.
Brewing.
He's working again. Hold on.
Send us all the good
Zero.
stuff. We're gonna have a
Right
good
here.
afternoon
0.
It's
1,
gonna be a great
2,
morning.
3.
Order filled.
There we go.
Too kind indeed.
3.
Good stuff.
Let's
Thank
do
you
it.
again. Greatly appreciate it. You guys are the absolute best. Absolute best.
Yeah. Very kind. Very
Let me
generous.
change it over here because I'm looking at gold over
A
here
little
on
bit
the
of a
Tinko
bid
Swing.
coming in here in NASDAQ 22,057. But ES
I'm
just
flat.
not finding the juice. You're out.
Yeah, I took some profits at 46 and 48.
If we reject 66s, I may get back into this trade. This raspberry champagne tea smells amazing. I can't wait to drink this.
Man, look at this, man. This is for hey. I'm with leaders only in the chat here. Need these vibes more often. Ain't laughed this much this early at work in a while. I agree.
Wow.
This leaders
It's a
only.
whole new
Alright.
dynamic,
Absolutely.
isn't it?
You guys are clicking. You guys are absolutely clicking. This is an absolute blast.
I mean, just fly me out to Chicago
Let
more.
us down.
Andre.
Don't let us down.
Hey.
Don't let us down.
So
Don't
far,
let
so
us
good.
down.
That's
Come
the
on.
vibe check
Come
right
on.
now.
Come
The one I
on.
was most concerned. I'm like, is
We
Barry
just need
cool?
50
Is
bucks.
he gonna be fun?
50
Hey,
bucks.
There it is.
What do you
Put
mean?
in all the work.
What do you mean?
Okay,
What
where's
do
the
I mean?
other
I don't know
zero?
if you're gonna be
Like
cool or
you
not.
Right here, right here,
Okay,
right
okay,
here.
Mr.
At
Frat
20,
Boy.
at 20,
Mr.
at
Frat
20,
Boy.
we're gonna do another
I
2.
wasn't a frat. I
We were
wasn't a
walking in
frat.
the heat.
Coming up here, we got the 4-week, 8-week bill auction. Not
We're
going to
gonna
get
do
answers
2
right away,
right
but I will
there.
post them when they do hit the wire. Back to you
We're
guys.
gonna do
Thank you.
right
Yeah.
here
Oh, man, my man James
30.
Harden.
We're gonna
James Harden,
do
one more
2.
time. Shout out to James Harden.
We're gonna get this to
Quiz
800.
Coming in with the
Forgetting
news.
this. Yeah, no. We'll talk about that
And
later.
we're gonna get
Oh,
out
pump the likes. Come
about
on, this is the first day
there.
of office type
What
of thing like
is
this. Hit the likes. Let's
How
get
many
to
likes we
1,000
got?
likes.
Do we even got 1K likes?
No,
Okay.
man.
Can we
Something
get
like
it?
you guys
Can you
do.
do
I'm
it
gonna get a
right
James slacking on
here?
your
What is
job.
that?
500 likes. Come on.
It ain't me. It ain't me, man. It ain't me.
49
It's y'all.
points. 49
James,
points.
What do you mean?
I'm messing with you.
Let's see what
I
happens.
would love it if James. I think James has enough on his
Let's see
plate,
what
but James
happens.
news breaks are the
Oh, yeah, for
absolute
sure.
I
best.
should have
Baron absolutely
stuck
this
to
is
my
starting to roll over.
original plan.
I
Oh
missed
no,
the ad
let's
there.
do the big one. Where is the big one?
I was looking to add at 66s. We didn't get up there, but I do like this trade. Baron, we still
Anybody
targeting VWAP?
watch the game?
Yeah, I want this to come back
Oklahoma,
with a fib.
Indiana.
Either
I'm going
382,
for
25, somewhere in there.
OKC.
What price is that?
645.
25, 22, 12.
645.
Right at VWAP.
Yeah.
Oh my
Nice.
God.
London has closed. London has
645
closed.
is
22,049 last trade Nasdaq. We'll see what happens here. London has closed.
Oh my God.
60.63 last trade
So-
ES. Crude flatline for the time being.
142.
$72. Huge
So if I want to
sell-off
do this
about hour and a half
and
ago.
I want to
We're up
leave,
$74.
this is what I do.
Bottomed out at 71.33. Oh, that's almost a $3 sell-off.
So
Math
right
Andre.
here,
Currently trading $72 right now. Gold, just trying to figure out what to do with 3,400 even.
I'll do it.
Last
I'll
trade,
do it in big.
34.06.
so you can see it.
34.06. Coming into top of the hour, fast markets coming and going. You got FOMC later today.
Order filled.
API Sandbox. Am I
145.
saying that right? I'm probably not saying that right. honestly.
145.
Yeah, you are.
Thank you.
Risk.
Thank you. I knew
We can
I
get you a API Udemy course if you need, Andre.
200.
I 100%. I am a dummy when it comes to that
And
stuff.
you'll
All I know
see, I
is
can leave
F
it like
those algos. F those
autopilot.
algos.
Just that stuff.
So
F the algos.
45.
This is our time to
That
level up.
stuff, or
This is how we get revenge on the algos, man. What? Yeah.
doesn't the API allow you to connect algos?
That's bingo. Yes, I knew that part. But yeah,
See,
this is our way to
and
take the
Marie
power back. Those
speaks-
algos. Let's get in there and duke it up with them again. It's after.
You tease Andre about API, and then you ask that
Hard
question.
enough. Hard place.
Big-
then.
Thank you, Dakota. Yeah, Baron. Yeah, Baron. All right, are you guys in trades or what? What is going on right now? Is there?
I'm
Are
still
we
short. I'm
flat.
still short.
I'm
JD, what's going on over there?
Nothing. There's nothing going on. I swear. House count is flat.
Okay, no, I'm saying, what's going on in that office? What's the vibe like in the office? How many people are in that trophy room? You might think office, oh, that's a
It's
trophy room.
incredible.
Take
There's
a look.
there's
What do we got?
8 of us total in here right now.
Wow, really?
The AC could
Should
be
we
a
get
little
everybody on
cooler.
camera?
Eves.
No.
What about?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
I'll
because
let
you're
you
gonna
drive,
start
bro.
moving. You're gonna
I'll
move
let you
equipment.
drive.
You're gonna start moving
I'll
equipment.
let you
You're gonna
drive.
start moving. Yeah, you move equipment. You're gonna. Things get a little messy. Wow, Check Hopper says hi pie. Don't see Hopper moving just yet. This is absolute, yeah. This is good stuff. Everyone's in a trade.
I added a 6th contract.
6. Okay, short 6. You got an average price, Baron?
22,066.50.
Oh, 665. Oh,
And I
665.
just
Dakota short.
I was okay
No, I'm
with
flat.
break
Oh
even.
man, how are you gonna
I was okay with
retract
break
like
even for that
that?
one lot, so I just added
We
2
were
and moved my
so
stop to break even
close.
again. So I'm short 3 from
You're
63
supposed to
quarter.
go to B1.
Let's get this breakdown here.
That's the
Right.
nature of the beast.
Dakota flat. Dakota, what's your P&L? You got it? Good
B
to go?
what?
Question. Wait, I got a question for you, Baron.
Okay, cool.
What is? Do you know what API stands for?
There we go. There we go.
Final.
Come on. So we're gonna push for $50.
What does it stand for? What does it stand for, Andre?
Some protocol
Oh,
interface, program
why you
interface
over
bullshit,
here?
something like that. Right? All right.
Yeah,
all right.
close enough. Application
programming interface. Application programming
So,
interface.
Yeah.
Obviously,
if
I
I
know.
want to
Did
get
you
a,
look that up on Google?
No, I
Yeah,
actually
man.
know what it is. I actually know what it is.
we're gonna
Did you look that
do
up on
1,
Google?
2,
Application.
3,
Thank you.
That was funny.
4.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ladies, men,
4
ladies, boys
out
and
of
girls.
5.
Coming up here, we might have a crypto czar.
Would that
Gonna be
get us
speaking from the
over the
White
hump?
House, so we might get some information here
How
on
about
that. But otherwise,
here?
smooth sailing so far. Off the
You
wire.
got close.
Nothing bad.
Got close.
Back to you guys.
Okay, good stuff. Baron short. What are you short? 3? Keep up with you guys.
6, bro. Come on.
Oh, come on.
All right, I love it.
25.
Jay short 3.
25 plus.
Yup. We got. This is
Wow.
going fast.
We need
25 minings. 20
Wow.
minutes left to fast markets. Where's it going? This has been an absolute
Oh,
blast. Almost 1,000
right
likes. Come on.
back.
Get those
No.
1,000 likes. Are we there?
So these are red.
I tried to like it, but I'm not signed into
These are
YouTube, so let me do it on my
blue.
phone. I think I might be number 1,000.
These are
Oh, okay. Well,
red,
keep the
these
stream up
are
on your phone too throughout to
blue.
help the numbers if you don't mind.
Oh yeah.
All
of
you
course.
guys. Why isn't the stream up on your phone? All you
These are
guys. Come on. We're
red,
trying to pump
are
these numbers.
blue.
These
You know what,
So
you think
I'm
we're-
gonna make
Do you think we're that
these
fake,
are
Andre? Come on.
red and
Yeah,
blue.
there's
We
people
don't-
out there.
Red to
Do
the
you know about the
top.
dead internet theory?
What's that?
Go on, man. This is gonna be good.
Like 90% of internet traffic isn't real.
I mean, I kind of believe that.
Yeah.
I believe that. Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah. We're all simulation. You're saying? Hey, Dakota, can we get your P&L when you have a chance?
Yeah, 3586. 3,586.
Well done.
I might short 6 here and lock it in. Should I? I could
JD,
short
do me a
6
favor.
and just
What's up, Jay?
copy Baron.
You got that house account queued up?
Got it.
Short 50 NQ at the market right here just to push this down, and then
Loading 50.
Change
love it, I
this
love it.
money
We'll get it.
flow.
Oh man, dude, ES is gonna grind this thing lower.
To-
60-61 now. We're trading up. Now we're grinding lower. About 12 points off
MACD
the highs of 60-73. It's
to
been a
be
slow
more
grind lower.
accurate.
I was
See if they
jokingly
wanna
loading
roll.
50, but I stopped doing it just in case something bad would happen.
oh yeah, accidental. I took
Order
one off here, so I'm
filled.
short 2. Kind of just managing this position as it goes. It would still be a break-even trade where my stop is right now, but not seeing the momentum yet. Hogue says you gotta buy one for the break, so that's my contribution to the market, and hopefully we break here.
I feel all right.
So
heard that?
Patiently.
No,
We
I'm
got
flat.
to
I'm
800.
thinking if I
Just
should
like
just
I
get in
said.
short and just copy
Here we
Baron
go.
until the stream's over.
Can we get
because,
the other piece?
that way he can't make it
Sure
up.
we
But I
can.
think this market can
He's
do it for him.
pushing.
Yeah.
7-4
You and your short
right
still too?
there.
Yeah, it's still short
7-4.
2. From
I love it.
58 is the average price.
Okay.
I love it.
Stops at 63 quarter.
60-61 last trade. 50-50 on the tilt across the board. Looking at Crew's got.
Half the chat's the long, half of the chat's short. No one knows where the market's going to go.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
But it's got to come back to that VWAP.
I'm short 6.
Sweet.
I'm short 6.
What price? Still have to ask you guys for prices, man. After all these years,
51.
or after
Yeah.
all,
Yeah,
still
yeah,
ask you guys.
51 3/4. 51 3/4.
All right. 51 3/4. Last trade 54. JD, we seeing anything? 50. You're taking a vigorous swing. 50.
Little dry mouth there. No, we got nothing done. Doing nothing. Not
Doing
working
nothing.
anything.
Working nothing. Working nothing.
Working nothing. Nothing done.
All right.
I do think we'll see another
Let me
Takes
see
lower.
something. Something I don't like here.
but man, it's been just a slow grind.
If I don't like it, I'm gonna
It's a slow
cut it.
grind right
I'm
now.
gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut
Hey,
it.
Gabe,
I'm gonna cut it.
my man, Captain Palmer. Check. Captain Palmer, can you please deliver some hot streaks if you are so ready? I
What's up,
put you
Trey?
on the spot. What's up, Gabe? How are you, man?
Oh yeah, I'm doing well. I'm
Good.
sad that I'm not there with y'all. 'Cause,
I
know.
It sounds like a blast, but it's all good.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna cut
Yep.
it.
Only 6 more months
I'm
until
gonna cut it.
Chicago.
He's
and
moving
then
here.
I'm gonna be
Uh-oh. Did I
everywhere.
spill the beans?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. All right, come on.
All right. So we have some hot streaks. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the
I
button
cut it
here
right
if
there.
I can find
I'm
it.
good.
That would be fantastic.
I'm good.
Your funded trader hot streaks for the day.
I
This was
I
from
like that at
yesterday, of course.
8:14.
We got
Order
the Daniel
filled.
T,
Done.
tallied at
8:18.
49th day.
We're
Trading
done.
NQ.
We're done for
187 bucks
the
in the day.
morning. We
Michael S
traded
traded the
gold
MES for 924 bucks, totaling
at
42 days.
pre-open,
Profit of
at the open,
14,509.
and then
Chowdhury tallied the 41st day
somewhere
for a
along
total
the line
profit
I
of
moved to
19,000. Trading the
NY
MNQ for
because I was
$810.
checking
Katiana tallied
ES,
the 39th day
but
for a total profit
all
of
good.
14,883.
800.
Trading NASDAQ for a $279 day. And Jason B tallied the
So
37th
thank you very
day for a
much.
total profit of
Is
19,068. Trading the MNQ for $384. So those are your funded trader hot streaks. Back to you, Dre.
What happened to Leon? Where'd Leon go? Man. Leon, I miss you. That's good stuff.
I did get
Gee,
back
let's
into
put him
short
in.
3. I'll probably get
Yeah.
stopped out of here in a second. But
Leon had a kind of a blowout day last Friday, Andre. I was talking about it.
No. Oh no. Yeah. Typically how these streaks go.
Yeah, it was a rough
Typically,
one.
JD, they don't end the streak with just down $8 on the day. Typically, those
It's yeah,
hot
it's
streaks
typically it's typically not very graceful. That's for sure.
in a blaze of glory. Yeah, that's simply how it goes. Well done. Get back on there. Get
Glad I
back on
got
the
out.
horse. All right, 60-62 last trade. And ES 22,060
Let me
last trade.
change
And
this.
all right, Baron short 6. Dakota, are you in? Jay,
Settings.
Yeah,
I'm
I-
flat.
short 6.
Dakota short 6.
Yeah, I'm short 6.
I got flat on that pop right there.
Regular.
I may get back into this. I'm down 940. I think I was down 1,200 at some point.
Oh, it's
So
fair.
little recovery.
It
I still do
crossed.
think we go lower, but may get a better opportunity to
But
short.
now it's rebounding. Okay.
Looking at 75. VWAP keeps kind of pushing up here. It's at 2214 right now. Let's see. Volume really just died out, and I mean, I guess that's to be
Ooh,
expected.
tape bomb.
Hey, there we go.
There we
There
go.
we go.
A little something.
A little something.
What did he grab?
60.
Was that 50 lot, JD? What was that?
Sorry, guys. I was kind of short 50. Joking.
He just wanted a better price.
Right, so a recap. We started with gold, MGC, Come on. MGC, we started with gold. Somewhere up here, we're going to put show executions, save. What's this Christmas tree I got here? Where's this Christmas tree? You're going to like this. Look at all those trays. Actually, it's fair. Let's see how many I did. Oh no, because this has from last night. 65 trays to make $800. You believe that? Oh, yeah. Come on. I know, so slow. Oh no, because this has from last night. 65 trays to make $800. You believe that? It's no lie. Look at that. This is last night. Oh, last night. Last one was right here this morning. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Short, 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 short. Damn, and it worked. Cover, 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 cover. Short, 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 short. All of that. And then we went to this one right here. Short, 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 short. Boom, 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 boom. Bam. $800. And look it, I got out, and look at that. Didn't go to my designated be what. It got close to it. That's another thing that you got to keep in mind. Not it's not going to go there because there's people eager to pick up. Our first target is up here. Now we could get a little pause here. You can see this is definitely resistance now. Intraday resistance. So if we get this far, if we get through 60, 70, I will be paying close attention to this. Because this is where we could get hung up. I'm not sure you need to advice. But other than that, I'm looking for R4 and potentially, we can let's see. And potentially take out this next day. So we'll see. We need a new trade setup. So
Order filled. Order filled.
I like my baby better.
What we need here, $80. Let's see if we can. He was talking about. Oh, that's a lot. I don't want to be in this. We only got two. We only got two.
Order filled.
Get out. Oh, he got filled, right? He got filled. Wow, he called it. 70 right there. I wonder how many lots he's playing with. But I'm playing with MES. I still rather play here than over there. I know my NY a little bit more now every day. So I know my
Now
I know my NY a little bit more now every day. So now I'm like
we'll see. They can pick up, like I said, right around here. Right around here is where I felt if we were going to run into any issues, this is where it's going to be. That's fine. Right in my shading. But it doesn't look like we're going to be able to push through the 20, which is the midline on the bonus band here. So I'm just gonna wait. Obviously, if we lose this, the trade is dead. Gold, the last.
hey, so sayonara.